This Lely brush operates in a clockwise motion to clean dirt and dust from the cows and also improve their blood circulation. Fresh dirt is churned up and reformed into perfect planting rows by this device that contains metal-forming molds that rotate when dragged. "50 milking cows are successfully fed by this Lely Vector robotic feeder that measures feeding height and amount, mixes the perfect blend of feed and then delivers the feed on demand. Watch this massive boulder get turned into dust by a heavy-duty rock grinder attachment with rapidly spinning sharp blades. This crafty farmer drags a giant moving blade to break the line of this massive fire and prevent it from spreading further than it already has. Watch this pasture get quickly plowed, with this tool containing 3 blades set at different distances to ensure all plowed land neatly lays over. Catching a young calf is made easy with this attachable steel cage design with a spring-loaded catch and release system for calf tagging. An excavator attachment containing sharp rotating blades moving in opposite directions is lowered onto a ground tree only to grind it to pieces. The powder milk solution is dumped into the feeding reservoir of this Petra Milk Express where up to 30 cows drink fresh milk from rubber teats pumped in from a 4-stroke Honda motor. Fermented hay, known as silage, is perfectly chopped to size and hauled off by this impressive cutting blade that chops in a vertical fashion. Olive tree branches and stumps are grinded down into fertilizer thanks to this incredibly powerful grinder tool attached to the front of forward-moving tractor. This 100-inch truck spade uses 4 separate digging and extraction blades to surround and cut away all anchor rods for easy tree transporting. After the milk is extracted from each cow, on a rotating pallet, a robotic arm extends underneath each cow to administer a spray of solution that controls the spreads of mastitis immediately after milking. The thick stream of water from this rotating farm rain gun is interrupted by oscillating arm that's used to redirect water streams for different watering distances. Freshly chopped and sorted hay is scooped up and throughout the compaction device is forced out the other end and chopped into exact blocks. First, this powerful arm clamps down on a tree stump and then uses the leverage of its own weight and gravity to extract the dead stump. Heavy feed is propelled closer to these cows from the attachment plate that rotates in counterclockwise motion, both scooping and launching the feed for accessibility. Watch this app-operated farm bot plant seeds water accordingly and pull weeds to ensure a steady crop of vegetables are grown year-round. Throughout a series of chain straps and a rotating pallet, a large calf is lifted and turned on its side to get treated by a veterinarian for its hoof infection. A field of old crops and weeds is cleared for a new planting system with this tractor attachment consisting of a giant tank of propane and several fire-throwing arms. By use of a floor track and pulley system, this level scraping device is slowly dragged across a barn floor to remove toxic cow dung. This powerful blade attachment both creates water canals and redirects decomposed vegetation to ensure fertile soil for new crops. This Class 950 self-propelled forage harvester uses a series of rotating circular chopping and sorting blades to mow down and harvest large portions of corn stalks in just seconds. After pellets of young rice are loaded onto an undulating tray, many rotating arms grab each rice stalk one at a time to plant them perfectly in a straight line. A punctured plastic mulch layer is quickly laid down and farming beds are trenched thanks to this nifty machine dragged from the back of a moving tractor.